Start by choosing the type of calendar you want to create. Use small envelopes or mini paper bags to hold surprises. Create 24 or 25 pockets or compartments for each day. Decorate each pocket or compartment with numbers or dates. Fill the calendar with a mix of small gifts and treats. Consider including chocolates or candies. Add miniature toys or trinkets. Include personalized notes or messages for each day. Craft a calendar with a holiday theme or motif. Use festive ribbons and embellishments. Hang the calendar on a wall or door. Create a calendar that doubles as holiday decor. Incorporate recycled or upcycled materials. Include holiday-themed puzzles or riddles. Craft an activity-based calendar with daily tasks. Create a calendar that tells a holiday story. Use mini stockings for a traditional look. Incorporate DIY ornaments for a tree-shaped calendar. Customize the calendar based on the recipient's interests. Add a special surprise for the final day. Consider a calendar with pockets for charitable donations. Use mini mason jars for a rustic touch. Incorporate holiday-themed stamps or stickers. Personalize the calendar with photos. Display the calendar in a prominent place for all to enjoy.